remember the Politricks much. This is repeat. Now, then we're going to talk about the Ching Ching case. Dropping at the papers say Ching Ching, that's a dancehall artist. Right. Known mostly for the dance song them and them thing them. The tall brother. Right. Supposed to know about him. Yeah. When I was reading the article, a couple things surprised me. First one was that he was 41 years old. For some reason I just got the impression that he was a very young man. Ching Ching charged after them pull him over in a court. When them check his licensed firearm, right, was spooky because the actual license itself had expired. So when time I see this, I thought to myself, oh, well, 1 week, 2 weeks, what go on there so? Even though he has no excuse, it shouldn't even be 1 day. Right? There are steps in place for people who, even if you have traveled for a year, right, for your firearm, get sorted out. As I say, anybody who have a licensed firearm know how this thing goes. So this is not picnic business. This is not fun and games. This is not entertainment. So the whole, yeah man, I just want him to give man a blight and a start work when it comes down to gun thing. This is not fun thing. But I was still looking to see some kind of, close date to the experiment. So well, give him the benefit of the doubt and all kind of something. I look for something for some can at least try and give Ching the benefit of the doubt. So something for not make you look too bad. Something I can work with to say, alright, Your Honor, take time. When time I look on the article, Ching Ching license ain't gonna expire, not in March 2024, not February 2024, not January 2024, not December 2023, not November 2023, not October 2023, but September 2020. This brother, a big man, 40-year-old man, a move around with a weapon with a license expire. That's September 2023. 41-year-old Ching Ching, we think they have sense, bro. See, when you need some friends around to talk to you like this. Too much yes man and clout chasers and batty followers back on you. We need some people, cause this is how me and my brethren them reason and talking. When certain things go on, man, I feel just ask man straight. You think they have sense? This is a grown man. He has no excuse. September 2023, I drive round. Not even a day for pass. Not even a day. There are steps in place. This is broken down clearly to everybody who have a licensed firearm. Now, with that said, people have said, boy, Ching gone for 15 years minimum. I can actually explain to you how the Firearms Act work. The charge that Ching get is not the charge that get if police catch up on the road with an illegal firearm. You see, the two main parts of the act is this. You have section 5 and you have section 45. Right. Section 5, that is what when people talk about illegal possession of firearm, generally, a section 5 them attack. Right, of the act. Right. So Ching now go get dealt with in front of the courts like how them that catch somebody with an outright illegal firearm. Section 5 of the act, right, is what? Right, would I do that? That is where now you start with the 15 years and can go up to 20 years and all kind of things. When a year 87 get catch with illegal possession of firearm, right, it's actually Section 5 of the Act, right? Possession of prohibited weapon. Ching was not charged under Section 5. For Section 5, you get no less than 15. Assuming you're convicted. Ching was charged under Section 45. Right? Now, remember back in the day, me do a video upon a case where 87 did get charged. And then in the end up get like a really low time and everybody was surprised how come the new Firearms Act come on and man I get that charge. I mean, it turns out they charged him under the wrong part of the act. Remember that story there? Well, that man was charged under section 45, which is the section where Chinga get charged under, which is why he didn't get the 15 years and got a much reduced time. Section 45 of the act, that one the official title or the official heading for that part of the act is unauthorized possession of firearm or ammunition. So you see the difference. You have section 5, you have section 45. When people say Chinga get fling me for 15 years now cause of this and that and boy, Lord have mercy, poor Ching, that not gonna happen. Because Ching had a license and the license expired and Jerry and down and I move on with it like him not a sense. Right, that is section 45. The license run out and him nobody renew it. I don't care if he's the busiest man in the world, the fact same that Iron Man and move around in Portland with it. Log them him suffer. At some point you have to start treat adults like adults. We love treat adults like pitney. In Jamaica, pitney get held to a higher standard than adults because pitney make one little mistake and they thump them in their head. You ever realize that? In Jamaica, children are held to a higher standard than adults. Pitney make one little mistake and then get thumping in their head, kicking in them back, spine broken, all kind of shit. Get beaten in their head with plywood, and them all 5 and 6. If any mistake they make, anything them do. But when it comes down to big old 41-year-old, boy, them things just happen. No, these things don't do something. But the thing Ching have sense. Well, I don't know Ching from nowhere. I would assume a 41-year-old man have sense. Archie Ching Ching do a reinforce certain stereotypes about these years, you know. There is nowhere in this world where you can have a licensed firearm or a license for anything and they run out over 6 months ago and people say, oh, I want them things. There's nowhere in this world. When you can't go Germany go do that. When you can't go England go do that. When you can't go America go do that. Why if you can do that Jamaica? Jamaica no somewhere. Ching Ching is 41 years old. The day he will see that firearm, everything was broken down to him. And even as a firearm holder, are you supposed to do even more research than even them tell you? Too much posers. That's the thing with Iron Man, too much posers. Man love pose up. Pose up with gun in the waist and all kind of things and all kind of foolishness. Posers. Gun thing on a game. That's why I hear these Mickey Mouse stories about girl that go in a vehicle. Right, a man did have finger up and trigger and the next thing gun just go off. In them business, no room no in there for foolishness. No room no in a firearm business for Mickey Mouse thing. No room at all. A life and death. And if something happen and Ching they have to use that weapon, them time the dog will not him supper. Him actually, considering all the circumstances, him actually lucky say, they ain't catch him before him they have to use it, because if him did use it in its unlicensed state, at them time they bring on a whole separate charge, a different level of charge I drop on him now. 41-year-old man this is. 41. If school pitney forget to fill out one form, parents lick them in their head, you know. If school pitney, if grade 5 pitney forget to fill out one form and hand it in one day, if 5-year-old forget to hand in their homework, parents stump them in their face, you know. But they might tell us a 41-year-old man will drive around with a gun will expire from September 2023. And one of them thing the dog. One of them thing there. Just so you're clear, the Firearms Act separate the two. Somebody who is moving around with a straight out illegal firearm and somebody like Ching Ching who firearm was licensed but it expired and I'm moving with it. So when they go before the courts, judge might give him some time or give him a heavy fine. But him not go look on 15 years and nothing like that. But he deserve 15 county in his head. It's a 41-year-old man. Imagine having to explain to a 41-year-old man the importance of doing things like this and the severity of moving around the firearm when the license. I say once the license run out, in a license again, it's not a license gun if it run out. But me just the one clear up. Ching Ching now look under 15 years. A section 5 that give him that. Section 5, which is possession of prohibited weapon. Ching get charged under section 45, which is unauthorized possession of the weapon and ammunition. Because it's no longer authorized, because you're authorized up to this date. And the importance of renewing the license is because things and circumstances change. You can give somebody a firearm and then afterwards, them go do something illegal, or afterwards them go take up this, and afterwards them now go up on the radar for being some kind of done. Afterwards them involved in this. So now that license go get taken away when they go back in. So some people just nobody go back in and keep the gun. When they were having the big clampdown, where enough people who did realize them and get them weapons take away, just never bother go back in. Because you supposed to carry back the weapon. So people just don't bother go back in and just hold on to the old license. So you always need to make sure say people renew so the circumstances where they originally get the license under still stands. Renewing a gun license is way more important than renewing a driver's license, if we're being honest. Because I say you can give somebody a gun today legally, and then the next 2 months now go start saying want and then and start growing and do this and that. I'm not gonna have to go take her back. But the driving license, I mean, what really changed? You grow an extra strand of grey hair on your face. You put on 2 pounds. It's not like you're really learning to drive. I've always said driving license in Jamaica renew too fast. Because how much things change and I look with that time. Right, and money them I look. But a firearm license, you need to constantly make sure say such man and such man still depend the right part, because people can't take license and then go off go do them thing. Anything change about this stuff, updated and make sure the system know what I want. So if anything happen, you can trace back to you. We can start talk about how often it should be renewed. But yes, when the time to renew, you need to renew. You can't just move around it gun where license expire. I listen for years in February, the gun license expire. Ching a move around with the gun from September 2023. You don't need 15 years, you need 15 conk in the head. 15 big conk too. But him now get fling with. Don't worry, the favorite artist. But if I'm team, I'm not gonna see him back again in a short time. We up. Stay up. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, see you certainly. Bless.